Hello. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to integrate Zoom with your OneTech calendar. And if for some reason your Zoom meeting invite is not getting populated, then you want to make sure that you are double checking this, that the Zoom token has not expired. I'm going to share my screen and we are going to get started. So you want to be logged into your calendars. The way you get to that is by going to your calendars on the left and then clicking on calendar settings at the top. From here, you want to go to connections. The connections menu, you want to go to video conferencing. You would have Zoom listed here if it's connected. And if for some reason the token has expired, it'll have a little red exclamation mark next to it, something like an error or invalid Zoom token or something like that. So if you see that, then what you want to do is you want to delete that record and add it again. So here's what I'm going to do. I've already deleted mine because mine was invalid. So I'm going to click on add new and click on Zoom over here. It's going to try to make me log into my Zoom account. So now I'm logging in with my Zoom credentials. Copy, paste, sign in. I want to make sure I'm giving access to everything, clicking on allow this app to use my shared access permission and click on allow. So after that, it should be good to go. That's it. Hope this helps.